And in news from India, as the state of Bihar gets ready for its assembly elections, which are expected to take place in October or November this year, there's a lot of speculation about whether Lok Janshakti Party chief and Union Minister Chirag Paswan will be contesting the polls. Now, the idea is being discussed more and more, especially after party leader and member of parliament Arun Bharti openly supported the idea. Bharti said there is a strong public sentiment for Chirag Paswan to assume a more prominent role in state politics, further describing that a collective demand emerging from the grassroots.
कि उनको बिहार आकर के अपनी बड़ी भूमिका के बारे में सोचना चाहिए, एक बड़ी भूमिका अदा करने के बारे में सोचना चाहिए कि ताकि बिहार का जो विकास है वो कैसे आगे बढ़े, उस पर एक समग्र चर्चा हो, समग्र उस पर व्यापक कदम उठाए जा सकें। इन्हीं सारे प्रस्तावों को जब उनके पास भेजा गया, उन्होंने भी इसको देखा और इसके बाद उसकी एक प्रक्रिया है। हम लोग सर्वे करा रहे हैं, उस सर्वे से जो रिजल्ट निकल के आएगा हम लोग एक एक कदम चलेंगे और अगर सब कुछ सही रहा तो मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले समय में चिराग पासवान जी इन सारी बातों को गंभीरता से विचार करके बिहार में आकर चुनाव लड़ने के बारे में सोचेंगे।
Now, Chirag Paswan himself has also given hints about possibly contesting the Bihar elections. Earlier, he stated that this move would be part of a larger plan by his party, the LJP, and the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance to strengthen their position in the state. The party is planning a big event called the Nav Sankalp Sabha on June 8th in Ara city, where many expect Chirag Paswan to be presented as the party's face or main face for the elections, possibly even as a candidate for chief minister.